So, welcome back to another episode. This is episode 3. I woke up a couple of hours ago. I've been on the bed just laying there doing nothing. This is episode 3. Today's Thursday. Crazy start to this episode because tell me why I didn't film on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and I'm just filming on Thursday. And coupled with that one, I didn't release any episode last week. Now, last week I had a reason to because I didn't place any trade throughout last week. I think I placed one trade, but I didn't think to like take a journal of that one. But next time I'll do so, like regardless of if I have any trade for the week or not. So now this is a crazy start to this particular episode 3, and I'm starting on Thursday. Make it make sense, so you get me. But regardless, I'll show you guys. I've taken 2 trades so far for the week. 2 trades, not high probability trades, low risks. I didn't follow the plan to exactness because I said I was supposed to risk $15. I ended up risking $10. Makes no sense. I should have been up crazy amount. But regardless, I'm glad it's a win instead of a loss. So that's that. I'll run you guys through the trades I took. 2 trades I took, similar pairs. You'll know why. Similar pairs to it. And then what else? We'll just go from there. Now it's a crazy start to this episode, I know, but I'm trying to be more consistent with it. Now last week I had an excuse, but moving forward, I'll try as much as possible not to let such excuses hinder my uploading. Okay, so I'll try to be more consistent with it. So let's get in the chat and I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. The 2 trades I took and what I'm looking for so far. So far, so good. The week is looking dead, Trump is doing his thing, the market is doing his thing. Everybody's doing their thing at this point. But regardless, I'll show you guys what trades I've taken, the wins I got, current balance that I'm in, and whatnot, okay? So let's go from there. So here we have on the chat. Here we have on our screen the chat. Like I was saying, I took 2 trades so far for the week. This is the first one actually. Let's go through where we stopped in our previous episode and where we currently are. So, the previous episode, we were roughly around 4,900. Yeah, our balance was around 4,900. I took 2 trades. These are the 2 trades I took. Let's filter this to 7 days. So these are the 2 trades I took. USD CHF and CAD CHF sells. Now, the only thing I didn't do that I didn't stick to plan was my risk on these 2 trades was around $10. Now my risk initially, based on my plan, is supposed to be $15 because if I had risked $15, this would roughly have been. This one should be around $40 ish. This one should be around the same amount. So I should have made around $80 from this trade, but instead I took home $48, so less than what I should have made, as you can see. But other than that, I think it's good. Our current balance is 4,950, so we made extra $50. Which is decent, I mean. But next time I should stick to my plan because fear crept in here because I was taking 2 CHF pairs, CHF related pairs and same direction, so I had to find my way around it. Hence I had to reach $10 on both just in case I get stopped out. I wouldn't lose too much. That was my mindset. Done my shit. But regardless, here we're up, we're moving slowly, we're progressing slowly. This was the USD CHF, so my TP was around 2R, roughly around here. My TP was around 2R. I had this setup since last week. So TP was around 2R. It did get to 2 point something R. But yeah, CAD CHF, I don't have it here currently because I think I've deleted that already. I've deleted that one already. And going back to what I mean by the market has been dead so far, no trade opportunities. These are my main pairs, JP, USD. I was anticipating sales somewhere around this region. I was looking for sales somewhere around there, hence the shifting market structure I marked out there. But price just went past through, and we also swept liquidity. We swept liquidity here. So now I have to change my buyouts. I'm waiting for a pullback on this to continue to the upside. But on DXY, we're currently holding strong. I won't go lie. We're currently holding strong around this region. we're holding strong because I thought with the way price was moving, we're going to take out liquidity here, but we haven't. We're currently holding strong. Price might fill up this gap, fill it up and then continue to the downside, or we might have a bounce from here. But until next week, I think we won't know. Same thing on Euro USD. Same thing on Euro USD. Yeah, it was empty, basically empty. I was waiting for a pullback into this region. I didn't get it. Price went from here, just went to the upside. There's nothing on Euro USD, nothing on US 30. I'm still waiting for a pullback. So price, the market has been slow, not slow, but hasn't been predictable basically. So far so good. But I'm currently waiting for pullbacks on here so I can get in the buys. Gold, I missed 2 trades on gold. So yesterday, or what day was it? No, Tuesday, 2 days ago. 2 days ago, I was anticipating buys, but I wanted a deeper pullback because gold is very volatile. I think my lot size then open 01, this stop loss was giving me around $20, and my maximum should be like $15. So I didn't want to get on this trade. If not, my entry was somewhere around this region, just below this lows. My entry was just below this lows, around here. But the stop loss was too much, so I had to bring it all the way here. And price didn't get there, so that's that on gold. And also I was waiting for sales here. I wasn't active here because you see this is 8 o'clock 9 p.m. New York time, and that should roughly be around 3 a.m 4 a.m my time ish, 6 hours. Yeah, so this was roughly around Asian section, and by the time I woke up, price has done a bit. And also here I also wasn't active because I was at a gym. No, I was at the gym. I was working out, still at home, but I wasn't in front of the chat. So I was actively working out during this period, and the price dumped. Though there's no clean setup, but I was anticipating sales from here. No clean setups though, so I probably wouldn't have taken it regardless. So yeah, that's that. That's that on that so far. Today is Thursday. Yeah, there's nothing else to show other than trades I'm currently waiting. They haven't gotten this one. Still looking at it. I haven't gotten another trade, so because there's no confirmation there. And yeah, so that's that's that on what we have so far. We're still pushing strong, so hopefully I should pass this account within the next 1 month. Hopefully, fingers crossed. Well, yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one.